This is the situation here. Look at people lining up for food, for basics. Food. Here in Queens so far, like playgrounds like this, it's totally empty. And that's because Queens is also completely devastated by this virus. I'm passing on the FDR, headed back home, and I couldn't believe my eyes. I always have this with me. This drone, you attach the loudspeaker over here. A loudspeaker that can voice anything you say or anything you record into the loudspeaker, and people can hear. Now I have two options. I can use the built-in screen controller with the built-in ultra bright screen, which is ideal for this type of light, or I can use the standard controller. I'm going with the standard controller just for the fact that I can record the screen, which I can do with the other controller too, but the audio is not that strong. The audio records better on the standard controller using the app that's on my smartphone, so I'm going to use this. Plus, when you're speaking into your smartphone, the microphone is better than the audio of the microphone in here. If I'm going to talk to them, I'm going to prefer to use this unless the sun gets really bright. But this is it. This is pretty much what it looks like. Not only am I going to turn the volume at full force, but I'm going to point the speakers downwards so they can like pitch the voice on the people, to the people. That's as low as it'll go.
Take off.
Attention, this is the anti-COVID-19 volunteer drone task
The home point.
You know what's going on in the hospital, guys.
Some hospitals acknowledging their staff is so busy trying to help the living that, yes, there have been delays in releasing some of those who have died from the virus.
You know what the medical staff is going through, and just, you know, I get it. It's a nice day, and yes, you're exercising social distance, but come on, guys. You're going to tell me shit isn't going to spread like this? Shit ain't going to spread like this? Come on, I'm not buying that.
I could see it going into May, in fact, with the numbers we're looking at, because we have community spread. And that's really the issue. It's deeply seated in our communities.
The governor's told people, look,
the rate of increase in the number of cases portends a total overwhelming of our hospital system.
stay home, please. Stay home. If you have to get groceries, if you have to get essentials. But now, it seems like it's 58 degrees, almost 60 degrees, and apparently New Yorkers feel like, oh, this is nice weather. Let's go outside and hang out in the park. You know the stress that the city's under. I mean, the Javits Center has been turned into a hospital just for COVID-19 patients only.
The real picture is that the disease is way more severe than anybody could actually imagine.
And you guys are out there just because the weather is nice, taking risk as we speak. I'm studying the nurses and the doctors and the people who are working their asses off, 12 shifts, can't eat, can't go to the bathroom. I don't know, maybe I'm overreacting or something. I'm overly concerned. I'm thinking too much about the people in the hospitals, the medical staff who's just dogging themselves right now and putting themselves at risk.
There's a fine line where you want to be able to put your life on the line and protect, but at the same time knowing that what you could be doing inside, you're bringing home with you.
Why can't you just stay home? Like, if you gotta go out, go do what you gotta do and then get back home. If you gotta exercise, go out and get the exercise and go back home. And if it's crowded, run somewhere else, go somewhere else. But it's like, I don't know, man. I came out to do what I had to do, take care of what I had to take care of for my family, heading back home, and well, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head home, hunker down, and just let this whole thing play out. I don't even want you to be over there. Damn. One nice day, people. One nice day. Look at you. Maybe I'm paranoid, but you know what? I'd rather be paranoid and stay alive.